Actually, I need the live chat. Cool. Morning, guys. Morning, morning, morning. How are we all doing? Time to get funky. Let me just change my speakers. On that. Cool. I've done some changes this morning to the live stream, so we should be at a much nicer quality. I'm just going to change my camera angle a little bit. Should be a little better. That's better height. Cool. What tab are we on? Cool. Class is really killing my PC. I'm not sure what's going on here. Let's close that. Okay, that's better. How is everyone doing? How is the live stream? How's the quality? Stream's a bit choppy. Yeah, sorry, I'm just trying to fix that now. It's probably because I've got that open. Okay, let me just notify everyone that we're live. Cool. What do you guys think about the sound quality? I've changed the my camera's now right. My microphone's right here, and I've got some music in the background as well. Hopefully, it all sounds really good. I've been messing around with all the settings this morning, so let me know what you think, guys. Is it better? Is it worse? Should be much, much better. Let's turn off that. Turn off that. Move it down so you can see everything. Okay, yeah, show me to let me. I'll go down here. How's that? Then you can see the time frame. You can see all this jazz up here now. Is it better like that? Yeah, video is lagging a bit. Sorry, I'm just trying to up the quality, you see. So, yeah, we'll see how it goes. The camera's still too high up. should be a little better. Oh, that's too low. Fucking hell. Okay, let's do a story on Instagram quickly. Right, let's do some analysis, shall we? Let's have a look at US30 first. And what we got. Okay, we're back in this zone. We've got this area on the 4 hour. Oh, I've lost my chat. There we go. See, I like this zone we're at right now. I like this a lot. It's a very key level for me. We're back inside this range here of the MAs. We've had that cross, which now we can look. The sell pressure is there. And also we've got this big gap down here where prices failed to make new lows. This will be a load of wicks on the daily. Yeah, we could start ranging in this area. We could come back down here. We could also break and move back up to these highs, so we've got to be wary of that. The hourly, we're in that zone. For me, I'm going to need to see reversal signs. I'm going to need to see price break down below here and trade within this zone. This would be an area I'd like to trade in today in here. But for that to happen, doesn't look like it will, as prices looks like it's going to be pushing up and going to this side, but we can take buys here. So for me, US30, we're going to be waiting, I think. Let's have a look at gold. Sorry, let me change that. Do you know what? Let me put my watermark on so you guys can see. You can see now what pair I'm trading. This is GU that I sent on Friday to the team. Which, as I said yesterday on stream, I was looking at this area, and it did actually eventually. It broke through the area and we had that retest here, and now we're moving back up. This is a good area for buys if you wanted to enter now. I'm not going to enter another position, but yeah, it's looking good. 120 pips, 120 pips running profit on that. Let's take a look at gold. Let's see what that's doing. Sorry, I'm going to move my mic. It might get a bit noisy. So on gold, I've got a buy limit set down at these lows here, and we're not going to really look at that at the moment because we've got a long way to go before we come in anywhere near that. I'm going to get that out of the way for now. For me right now, gold's looking really good for sales. We've come back down through this level with some strong bullish momentum, bearish momentum, sorry, into this level. And we're making a pullback now. If we draw a fib, let's get the magnet on. If we draw a fib, you can see we're perfectly in that 50% level right now of retracement. So for me, I'm going to scale down. Oh, look at the zone. Zone's a bit beefy for me. Yeah, so we've had that 50% retracement from the highest. We're down in this area here, which I like a lot. We can have targets here, here. We've got this area to be careful of. Neaten this up a little bit. Right, so yeah, I like this for sales. I'd like to see this 15-minute candle here we're currently on. Let me zoom in. I'd like to see this close below where these two candles are here, and preferably below this little zone here. We can look for sales. What's the 5-minute doing? Yeah, closure below here. But we've also got to respect this level here. This was a previous high, which acted as a support. So price could keep. You can see it's broken through, retested, broken through again. We could see a retest and back up. What we want to see for sales realistically is obviously push up here. We want to see it fail to make a new high from this area and push down back through here before coming back down, if that makes sense. Okay. So I think as long as we can stay in close inside of this zone once more, we could very much look for shorts. That's what I'm going to keep an eye on. I'm going to leave the 15-minute open and see how that performs. This close now just like this, brilliant, perfect, but we'll see. What else can we have a look at? Let me know, guys. Let's have a look. I'll do some analysis. Let me know what pairs you're looking at today, and I'll have a look. We have here, whilst I was getting my haircut, I'll take profit 2 on EuroCAD. Those of you who are in the group. I don't think my live chat is working. It's not loading any new. Oh, okay, here we go. I can see it now. Sorry, I can see it. I didn't see your messages for a minute there, guys. EuroCAD, yeah. So EuroCAD's just hit our take profit 2 target. This might look like the messiest trade you've ever seen, but I had these higher stops for a reason, because I was expecting price to come back in here and probably have some fake outs, exactly how it has done. We hit our take profit 1. We've hit take profit 2 now. I can get rid of that alert. Yeah, 29.30 pips in profit. That hit this morning, as well as we also hit overnight, which was nice to wake up to. A full take profit 3 on end of DM. This again was shared in my free Telegram group. Banked 100 pips on this trade. Very, very simple break, retest, bit of consolidation, and we're in. Let's have a look through some majors. Actually, before I do that, I'm just going to notify the team about EuroCAD. can leave this. Okay, AUDUSD. This is the 4 hour. Let me remove these drawings and start from scratch. So we're now trading below on the daily. You can see we had this crossover of the 200 and the 50 moving average, which now means we've exited that. We're now looking for sales basically. We're in a zone right now. We're trading inside of this. We're trading inside of this range, but we are looking for sales. This range obviously is quite bullish. But if we look further in, we can see on the hourly, from here, price is very bullish, making new highs, higher lows. But here is where price reversed. Okay, you can see here was our new, that was our new high low, which you'd expect if it was bullish to hit this, come up, make a new higher low, but it's failed to do so. It's broken below that zone and it's now reversed and is now using that support as a resistance. You can see it's now broken through that level, come back up, and I'm expecting price to do the same thing here, come up into this level here. We'll mark out a Fibonacci retracement in a minute before coming back down to hit this trend line once more. There's a range of about 37-40 pips there, which is good. I zoom in, and then from the highs to the lows, you see we're coming up to that 38.2 fib retracement. If you scale it from here, yeah, we're very much almost there. Yeah, I like this a lot. Head and shoulders, yeah, you could say it's a head and shoulders of sorts. Obviously, you've got your left shoulder, your head, and your right shoulder. It's always, it's never too neat, but the pattern works, yeah. So what you're looking for now is retest. So on the 15 minute, we've got this low, which we're actually, what am I doing? If we can respect this, let me make this more of a zone. If we can respect this, oh god, I'm tired. We could look for sales. I mean, pip wise, there's not going to be a lot. It's about 33, but you could get a trade in. I'm not entering this trade right now, but with a narrow, I mean, you could get your risk to reward in there very easily. What do you guys think about something like this? This isn't the trade I'm in right now. I wouldn't suggest entering this. But if we can see this candle closure, which is going to happen in 2 minutes, in or below this zone, followed by a bearish candle, we can enter, it might be around here. And we can have targets. Yeah. I do like that a lot. I'm just going to leave an arrow here for now. I'm going to go to the toilet quickly because I'm busting for a wee. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Okay, let's leave AUDUSD for now. Give that a couple more candle closures. Let's take a look at GU. No, not GU. We're already in GU. USD CAD is another one I want to look at today. I can't even see that. That's UJ. USD CAD. Let's have a look. Yes, I am using OBS to stream. Yeah. Okay, USD CAD, we had that break yesterday. It looks like we're heading back down to the MAs. See on the daily, let's set a target. I'd want to see price come out of this little range here we've got. I'm lagging. Why am I lagging? Let's have a look. See what I can do about this. Could probably... This might help a little bit. Maybe. We'll see. See what that does. Streaming. Update on AUDN. Yeah, let's have a look at AUDN. Hopefully the stream shouldn't be lagging now. Should be a little better. Obviously once this page loads. My Wi-Fi is not being friendly today. Oh god, I can't type either. So, AUDN is in loss right now. This is more of a longer term trade. We ended on this support. I think we're safe in terms of this zone here is going to be respected, it looks like. But here's a trade you guys can enter now if you're not inside of the group. This was shared this morning. You can see we've had this. We're in this channel. We've got 3 take profit targets. This is a good place to enter now if you're not already in the trade. Pips, there's not a lot of range there really. US30 is still chilling. AUDUSD is looking good. What can we look at? Okay, I'm liking this on AUDUSD. If we can get that close, could be good. GJ, yeah, have a look at GJ. So GJ yesterday, I marked this out on the stream. There's someone at my front door. Okay, he's posted for the letterbox. We're chilling. You can see that it panned out perfectly, or not perfectly, but we were inside of this range, which for me was a no trade zone, and we were just waiting for price to out of this consolidation range to go either break above or below, and obviously it did above. We haven't actually missed a trade here because price never had that retest. I would have looked for something like this. That's the wrong tool. For price to come up, come back down before moving up towards this zone. We've got the 200 moving average there as our targets, but we haven't quite had that retracement yet. So I've kept my alerts set at this level, waiting for price to come back down into this zone. So you could start looking for sales if you really wanted to scalp. There's a little bit of 65 pips of range there, but we are super bullish, so I wouldn't be looking for sales myself. For GJ, I'm going to be waiting for price to come back down into those zones. We can have a look at UJ as well while we're here. See, this is better. This yesterday as well for me was a no trade zone here. and I was waiting for price to break. We've got a small range of 80 pips about here, but we've got a bit of a bigger range, 110, 120 pips here. But this has been really nice to us because this has had a lovely retest right now. For me, I would need this 1 hour candle to close above this level really to look for a clean entry. And then we've got all this range up to the top here to trade in. Euro GBP update. Let's have a look. But yeah, I like this on UJ a lot because that level there is what I'm looking for. Let's make this box. It's a small retracement. Yeah, I'm looking for buys here realistically. Something like this. If this 1 hour candle does close, it closes in 9 minutes, so we'll stick around and wait for that. If it closes just how it is now, either above this box or inside of this box, we can scale down to the 15-minute or the 5-minute time frame, and we can start looking for buys. Obviously, this candle open here could be a target 1. If we scale down now, I can show you. Yeah, so we basically want this 15-minute candle to close above. You've got range-wise, close there. You've got 28 pips down up towards what could be a target 1. We've not broken this previous high low, so stops could go below there. Let's just do this as an example. If price closed how it is now, you could do something like this with your targets up here, or even with the MA. This could be target 1. Could be a very clean trade. But yeah, let's wait and see. 8 minutes left on this candle. We could be taking a trade here. For me, ideally to take a trade here, I'd want price to close above this wick, for sure. Then we'd have something like a 15, 16 pip stop loss, 20 pip-ish, take profit 1, and then another 90 up here. Yeah, you could argue this is a reverse head and shoulders as well on a higher time frame. Pushing a little bit for it, but yeah, you could. Let's use the tool. You've got a left here, you've got a head here, you've got your right here. This area here would act as your neckline. You've broken through, you've retested, and it seems like the only option from there is up. Well, it could work. I like it. I'm not very fond of this hourly candle. This is very bearish. But again, if we can close above this previous support about here, could be looking good. US30 is looking clean for buyers. Let's see what the lower time frames look like. For US30 buys, for me, I'd need a break above this level. This 5-minute candle can push up above it. We can take a trade in this zone. For sure. There's range to the upside. There's a 45 pip range there. If we go back to the hourly, we've got that wick as well there. Future targets. Oh, I closed dead on. I'm going to take buys here, guys. Tell you what, I'm going to take buys. Right here, we're in. I'm putting my stops down here. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm putting my stops down at this level. We're going to put our take profit, if we can, up here. We're in. Take profit 1 here. Stop loss is here. TP1 is here. TP2. Trying to do this quickly so the guys in the group don't miss anything. But yeah, we're in. Enter now, guys. Enter now. US30 buys. The volume's on our side. It'd be silly not to. Let me make this a TP1 so you can see it. Take profit 1. Now we wait. Set an alert here just so I know if we hit. We're in. Who's in? Who's in US30 buys? What about gold? Yeah, I want sells on gold really, which I know obviously goes against what I'm doing right now in US30, but I'm going to wait for some hourly structure to form. I want that below there really, but gold will wait and see. We're pushing up. here. US30 buys, guys, if you're not in already, get in now. We're at entry point. There's 20 seconds left in this 5-minute candle, which could be a better entry if it closes where it is now. We took a slight risk by entering on the break, but it's looking safe. Yeah, it looks good. Enter now if you're not. Good haircut, bro. Yeah, I haven't styled it or anything. The geezer's just left it how it is, but it was a right mess. Probably need a camera battery. That normally helps with the camera working. Which pair did you say? US30. The trade that is on the screen right now. Okay, this should be working. Yeah, cool. Let's get this shut up, shall we? Focus is good. Yeah, it's not straight. Right, that's better. Okay, we're dipping back into that range, but that's fine. That is acting as a support level now. Cool. GU re-entry. I'm not going to re-enter myself. But yeah, you could look to take extra entries on the retest of this level here. For sure. I can't get that right. Sorry guys, I'm trying to sort my camera in the background there just to get a secondary shot of the trading. Course in focus, right, cool. Let me just reset this camera quickly. Which one is it? That one? Yeah. Right, I'm back. I'm back. US30 is moving down into loss, which is absolutely fine. We're in the side of this range. We are safe. UJ, I just had a look at UJ. I'm gonna wait because that Owly now looks good for sales realistically. We've got that wick there to watch out for. But I want price to close above this area here. And we can look for buys. Targets one could be here. We've got all this range up to the right. But UJ, yeah, I'm gonna wait another few hours before having a look at that again, definitely. Do, 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 do. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Sorry guys, I'm back. I'm here. Link the music playlist. I have no clue. Let me find it. I'm sure I should be on my history here. Yeah, let me find that for you. History, here we go. US30's not looking too good, but it's fine as long as we're in this range. I'm absolutely fine with that. Yesterday, Forex. Our devices, here we go. MacBook. Oh, that's probably why I'm lagging. I got all that open. Okay. Where can I see my history? Here we go, YouTube history. Let me find the video for you guys. I'm going to put the link in the chat, guys, if you want to download this music that I'm listening to right now. There's a link to the YouTube. Any more holidays booked this year? Yeah, well, we're going, my partner and I are off to Mexico in a couple of weeks for a family wedding. And I'm going to head down to Tulum as well for a week or so, which should be amazing. And then we're also off to Canada in June. And then we're heading back off to Naples and Capri in July. And that's about it for now. We've got books. Looking good, looking good. Let's look at EJ. Love a bit of Naples, yeah. Naples was brilliant. We actually booked it the other week, not realising we're going in July as well. But Euro GBP, this is a long-term swing. I sent you yesterday, yeah, yesterday into the group. This is a very much a longer term trade, but you can see we're in this range. We're going to come up to these highs. The MA supports this. It all looks good. This is a trade actually you can enter now, guys, if you're not in the group and you haven't entered it. Here's the stop loss and take profit for that. I'm going to head to the toilet once again because I've had too much Oasis and it is just flowing out of me. I'll be back in 1 second. I'll leave US30 up so you can see how that's going. I'll be back in 1 second. I'm back. That looks good, doesn't it? Fucking hell, what a mess. Waiting for that push up on US30. We're waiting. Plug that in. Oh boy. That should be charging. Does that still work? Yes, cool. Thoughts on gold? It's shaping up nicely for sales, right? But for me, we're gonna have to see a break and retest. We're gonna have to see a move like this before we can look for sales around here. Okay. Taking a sell right now, which you could do and get a higher risk to reward ratio, but it's too bullish. It's too bullish right now to do that. You can see we've got this bullish momentum to the upside. We've had the retest. All we need is a breakthrough here and we're back up again. You've got range to fill to the left, so it's a bit risky now to take a position either way. You'd realistically need a break and retest of this level to look for buys. So I'd consider this here. If I can get my right tool. That for me is a no trade zone in there. Okay, you even need, you're gonna get movement either way really. But you've got space to the left either side. Natural gas, I don't trade natural gas, so I'm not gonna have a look at that, I'm afraid. AUDUSD, yeah, you can see it did break through there. We've got this level now to respect. But again, I think we're gonna come back up. We're gonna come all the way up to here for that retest, because this level broke here. We had this level. You can see we broke through. We consolidated in this zone for some time. We've broken through, hit lows, but we haven't actually came all the way back up to retest this level yet, which is what I'd look for before looking for sales. And we can come back down to this lower trend line here. So this could be the move up there and back down here. US30 is playing games as usual. GJ is breaking out now. Let's have a look. It is, yeah, but I haven't seen retest yet for me. I think longer term we're going to have to come back down and retest this level here. We haven't had that yet. We're out of that no trade zone. I want to see a retest to this level first. Got my alert set for it. There's a consolidation we broke out of. We want to retest before coming back up here. It's a bit of a longer term move. I wouldn't look for sales. I wouldn't look for any trades right now in this area. Once you're up here, you can start looking for sales, and we're bouncing off that 200 moving average there. But for me, I'd like to see it hit this level first before taking buys. Yeah, on the 4 hour, we're bullish. Very clean. A pattern we see time and time again. We make a new high. We make a new higher low. We break out of that previous. We make a new higher low. And we keep moving. That's what we want to see. We're definitely going to be coming up to this 200 moving average. It's just a game of whether a trade's going to develop and come down to a level we want to enter a trade at. Like, yeah, you could have taken a buy here on this candle closure here. This could have been a good trade, but I like to see that retest, just that further confirmation, just to further solidify that trade idea. I'm going to leave US30 running, guys. I'm going to hop off now quickly for a bit. I'm going to go and walk my dog whilst the rain has stopped. And then I'm going to come back on in maybe about 2 hours. Hopefully by then this trade has moved into profit nicely. If you want to get all updates, as usual, all updates to the trades, and you want to get access to all of my trades for free, just send me a message on Instagram. The link is in the description, or on Instagram it's at ADK Social, and there you can get access to all my trades, all my analysis, everything for free. But yeah, I'm going to hop back on in about 2 hours, and I will see you guys then.